Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. There are many websites that gives a variety of methods to make additional income, and making money online has never been simply. So here I will show you 5 websites that help me to earn 3000 per month. So number 1 is Rev. You can visit Rev's website and create an account to get started. Your name, email address, password must all be provided. You will create an account very easily, much like creating account in a social network account. Submit an application to work as a contractor for Rev by detailing your qualification. After getting the go ahead, finish any transcribing, encoding or translation projects for Rev. Rev is a tool that you can use to translate or transcribe recordings. For each job you accomplish, you will be paid. Your PayPal account will be where you can deposit your profits. Number 2, Text Broker. A well-known platform for content creation, Text Broker connects companies and people with independent authors to produce high-quality written content. In this internet market, customers can buy custom materials and writers can get paid to complete those orders. The level structure in Text Broker is one of its distinctive features. A writer can advance to level 5 based on caliber and regularity for their writing after beginning at level 2. Clients have the option to assign orders directly to particular writers they have previously worked with or whose writing they enjoy, rather than working through general groups of writers. Number 3, Skillshare. Skillshare is one of the most popular platforms for internet tutoring. Is Skillshare. You will select the talents you have, create content and submit it to the Skillshare. You know how to teach others and for instance succeed. You make videos where you talk, demonstrate how to do it. Another illustration is when you are aware and malnourished and want to assist others. You want to teach people how to change and become better individuals with objectives. The greatest website for tutoring individuals and making money is Skillshare. Skillshare will handle your promotion. If your work is worthwhile and popular, Skillshare will advertise you. Number 4, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a well-known rewards platforms that let you accumulate points by engaging in online tasks like viewing videos, taking simple surveys and buying online, among others. Through PayPal, these rewards can be exchanged for gift vouchers or cash. Many people who want to earn a little additional cash while they are online now turn to Swagbucks as their go-to resources. Number 4, TaskRabbit. A platform called TaskRabbit links individuals who need things done with people who have the necessary abilities. It's a marketplace where people can delegate jobs and chores to the people, making life simpler for those who require a little additional assistance. Simply register for a TaskRabbit account and submit a job that you need assistance with. Then taskers in your region will submit application to finish the task. Before selecting a tasker to work with, you can check out other biographics, scores and reviews. Once you have chosen a tasker, you will settle on a price and schedule for the job be finished. Simple and easy to do. So this is the 5 websites you can make money 3000 per month easily if you work hard and if you